Hey guys, I figured I'd make a video on my HID bulbs that I installed. While I'm driving. I'm going to Walmart real quick. I gotta pick something up, but they look pretty good for a cheap kit. I think they're called Innovated or whatever. They're on Amazon. I always use them. They're pretty good quality. I normally don't install HID kits in cars that don't have factory HID unless I do a retrofit and I install HID projectors, you know, like D1Ss or D2Ss, D4Ss. But for now, before, you know, I do that, I can't drive with halogen. It's just, it hurts my eyes. It's not bright enough. I can't hardly see anything with regular halogen bulbs. So, but yeah, it's looking pretty good with these Innovated HID kit bulbs. It's been raining, so you're not really gonna see exactly how it looks right now because all the light is being reflected off of the road and it's all over the place. But I'll do another video once it dries up a little bit. The cutoff seems to be okay. Obviously it's not gonna look as good as, you know, a real authentic HID projector, because this is the halogen projectors. But I mean, it's better than just using, you know, the regular halogen bulbs. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's way brighter. And yeah, for the meantime, I'm just gonna use this until I'm gonna buy a new set of headlights, probably depots or something, and I'm probably gonna get some Morimoto projectors or something, and then do that whole retrofit and then have them installed. But yeah, this is how they look. It's pretty bright. I'm at 152,000 miles. And everything is pretty good. The check engine light, yeah, I forgot to mention in my previous video, my Indy mechanic, he told me the check engine light is definitely that mass airflow sensor thingy. It's not that little bung that's on the bottom. So I'm going to order one. The cheapest I could find it is like 142 bucks. You can't just buy the sensor, you gotta buy the housing, and it comes with 2 sensors. So yeah, that's the cheapest. FCP Euro has it for 167. Obviously with the lifetime warranty. I'm still kind of not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna buy it from FCP Euro. You know, it's 20 something extra dollars, but it's worth it, you know, if I'm gonna keep this car for a long time, which I think I will. And hopefully that will get rid of my check engine light. Once I install that, I'll clear the code, and no more nasty check engine light. But anyways, this is me signing out. Thanks for watching again. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll be making more videos, you know, every few days or something. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.